Hi guys, welcome to Shield's Cooking. Today is the first episode of a new series called Candybar to Dessert. In this series we're going to create beautiful desserts based on candy bars. And on the first episode we're going to make a snicker dessert. So it's going to be a chocolate mousse with caramelized peanuts, a peanut praline, and to top it all off, a beautiful chocolate galette. If you haven't done already, hit that subscribe button to support my channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any amazing cooking videos. So, let's begin. We're going to start with the peanut praline. First, mix 250 grams of sugar with 150 grams of water and caramelize this on a low heat. Meanwhile, transfer 250 grams of peanuts on a silicone sheet and spread this. Once the caramel is golden brown, pour it on the peanuts. Now let this cool down and then break it into smaller pieces. After that, transfer it into a grinder and grind the peanuts into a beautiful praline. This takes about 6 hours. You can also do this in a blender. This is much faster, but it's not going to be as smooth as with a grinder. Once it's smooth, transfer it into a bowl. Then pour it into a piping bag and keep it out of the fridge for later. Now for the chocolate galette. Take some chocolate that's melted till it's 45 degrees Celsius. Now add some chocolate nibs to cool the chocolate down till it's 31 degrees Celsius. This process is called tempering. After it's tempered, pour some of the chocolate on a plastic sheet and spread this. Then let this set for 2 minutes and then cut it with a big round cutter. Now cover it with another layer of plastic foil and then a cutting board to put some pressure on it. Let this sit for at least 2 hours and then carefully take the galettes off the plastic. Now dust some gold powder on top and then keep them dry, covered and at room temperature for later. Then let's make the caramelized peanuts. Transfer 50 grams of sugar into a saucepan together with 20 grams of honey, 20 grams of water and 20 grams of glucose syrup. Now bring this to a boil. Once it has boiled, add 200 grams of peanuts and mix this. Now let it cool down. Then transfer it onto a silicone sheet. Now spread it and then bake it at 160 degrees Celsius till golden. Then the chocolate mousse. First soak 2 leaves of gelatin or 3.3 grams in some cold water. Now pour 120 grams of cream into a saucepan and bring this to a boil. When it has boiled, turn off the heat and dissolve your gelatin. Then also add 120 grams of dark chocolate and mix this. Now pour it into a bowl. Then pour 160 grams of cream into a bowl and whip this till it's at yogurt thickness. Now while stirring, add this to the chocolate ganache and carefully fold this together. You don't want to over mix this, because then the mousse will separate. Now fill the bottom of a plate with the mousse and let this set in your fridge. Then also add a layer of the peanut praline and spread this. Now the ganache. Pour 180 grams of cream into a saucepan and bring this to a boil. Then turn off the heat and add 100 grams of dark chocolate. Mix this till it's completely emulsified and then pour it in a piping bag. Let it cool down until it's at room temperature and then also pipe a small layer of the ganache on the praline. Let this set in your fridge as well. Once it's set, cover the top with the caramelized peanuts and then put the golden chocolate galette on top. Now carefully heat up the galette with a hairdryer so it takes the shape of the peanuts underneath. Then let this set for 5 minutes and it's ready to be served. Enjoy! Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. So please let me know in the comments on what candy bar I should do in the next episode. Like and share the video and subscribe if you want to support my channel and see more amazing cooking videos. And as always, bon appétit!